Hello everyone. So today's topic is nutrition. Today we'll discuss about nutrition. Okay. So first we will understand what is nutrition. Okay. Listen carefully and try to understand. The word nutrition comes from a Latin word which means to nourish or to feed. Okay. First, we will know what is the exact meaning of nutrition. This word nutrition has come from, it is a Latin word, okay, which means nourish or to feed, okay. Nutrition covers many areas like the science of food. When the nutrition comes, some of the main important topics covers under this area. What are these? These are the science of food. Nutrition means the science of food, okay. Why people or animals choose certain foods? When nutrition comes, why why people or animals choose certain types of foods only? Okay, what foods are made of? The nutrients in foods, how the body uses food, food digestion process, function of the foods. All these comes under the nutrition. Okay, so we will learn one by one in the next slide. First, what is the main definition of nutrition? पहले जानेंगे न्यूट्रिशन होता क्या है, न्यूट्रिशन का मतलब क्या है। ये तो समझ में आ गया कि ये न्यूट्रिशन जो है लैटिन वर्ड से आया हुआ है जिसका मतलब है कि टू नरिश, टू फीड। मतलब जैसे कि माँ अपने बच्चे को बहुत केयर करती है, ठीक है, उसका देखभाल करती है। न्यूट्रिशन का मतलब भी वही है कि टू नरिश। किसका भी यहाँ पे किसका नरिशमेंट होगा? यहाँ पे बॉडी का नरिशमेंट होगा, ठीक है। The nutrition is the process of taking in food and converting it into energy and other vital nutrients required for life. In the process of nutrition, organisms utilizes nutrients. The main nutrients are carbohydrates, fat, proteins, vitamin, minerals and rough phase. Okay, तो यहाँ पे nutrition का मतलब क्या होता है? न्यूट्रिशन का मतलब है न्यूट्रिशन इज ऑन ए प्रोसेस। ये समझ याद रखो कि न्यूट्रिशन एक प्रोसेस है। किस चीज का प्रोसेस है? इट्स अ प्रोसेस ऑफ टेकिंग इन फूड। मतलब खाने का तरीका जो है, ठीक है, हर किसी का खाने का तरीका सेम नहीं होता है। कैसा प्रोसेस है वो जो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म, ओके, द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म जो भी है, ठीक है, ये एक इंसान हो सकता है, कोई जानवर हो सकता है, ये प्लांट भी हो सकता है, ठीक है। तो हर किसी का खाने का तरीका अलग होता है और उससे एनर्जी गेन करने का जो है उसका न्यूट्रिशन, वही प्रोसेस को ही न्यूट्रिशन बोलते हैं। और न्यूट्रिशन से जो प्रोसेस है, जो खाना हम खाते हैं और खाने से हमें क्या मिलती है? खाने से हमें न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिलती है, ठीक है। न्यूट्रिशन इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ टेकिंग इन फूड एंड कन्वर्टिंग इट इनटू, to converting means what to convert? The conversion of the food, okay, the conversion of food. Conversion of food into what? Conversion of food into energy, okay. It is the process. Nutrition is the process. जिस प्रोसेस में क्या होता है, खाना को हम खाते हैं और उस खाने से वो खाना कन्वर्ट होता है एनर्जी में। खाना खाते हैं और खाना से हमें क्या मिलती है? एनर्जी मिलती है और कुछ इंपोर्टेंट और वाइटल न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो कि हमारा लाइफ में जरूरत है, ओके, नेसेसरी है, उस चीज को हमें उससे प्राप्त होती है, उस फूड से प्राप्त होती है। तो ये प्रोसेस, टोटल प्रोसेस को ही बोलते हैं न्यूट्रिशन। आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड। सो वंस अगेन लिसन केयरफुली। Nutrition is the process of taking in food and converting it into energy and other vital nutrients whatever is required for life. तो in this process of nutrition, ऑर्गेनिज्म क्या करता है? वो जो खाने में, जो फूड में जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स है उसका यूटिलाइजेशन करता है, ठीक है। इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन ऑर्गेनिजम्स यूटिलाइज न्यूट्रिएंट्स, ओके। तो न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो है खाने में, क्या क्या मेन न्यूट्रिएंट्स है? द मेन न्यूट्रिएंट्स आर कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, फैट, प्रोटीन, विटामिन, मिनरल एंड रॉफेज, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा सा बता देती हूँ कि जैसे कि प्रोसेस जो बोला गया है, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन लग रहा होगा क्या प्रोसेस हो सकता है। जैसे कि देखो, एक इंसान जो है या तो एक लायन जो है या टाइगर जो है, वो कैसे खाता है? वो फ्लेश को, वो सिर्फ फ्लेश ही खाता है। फ्लेश को अपने पंजा से उसको नचोड़ नचोड़ के खाता है, ठीक है ना। लेकिन एक स्नेक कैसे खाता है? स्नेक जस्ट swallow द फ्रॉग, यस और नो? इट नेवर बाइट्स, But what monkey will do? The monkey will eat the fruit. Up first it will bite the fruit. Okay, monkey will bite the fruit, then he will chew it. After chewing, he will just swallow it like human beings. Okay, human beings also take the food in part. Don't take human beings don't take it in whole. It takes human beings takes the food in small parts. Okay, uh, first human beings bites it, chew it, then swallow it. Okay, so different organisms have the different process of taking the food into its body and converting the food into energy. Okay, that total whole process is known as your nutrition. Next is your types of nutrition. See here, there are mostly two types of nutrition: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, autotrophic nutrition, the organism which undergoes autotrophic nutrition, they are known as autotrophs, and the organisms which undergoes heterotrophic nutrition, they are known as heterotrophs. Okay, remember these things. Autotrophs, auto means what? Auto means cell, trophos means feed. Okay, and heterotrophs obtains energy through intake and digestion of organic substance like animals and plant tissue. Autotrophs, who are the autotrophs? Autotrophs means those who prepare their own food. Remember these things. Autotrophic, in the autotrophic nutrition, okay, mostly here plants comes under this autotrophic nutrition. The autotrophic, in the autotrophic nutrition, it is the process in where the organism prepare their own food. Okay, they don't depend upon other for their food. They prepare their own food. They are known as your autotrophic nutrition, and the organisms are autotrophs. Okay, they use simple organic substance and either light energy or chemical energy for to synthesize their food. Like plants, they synthesize their food by using light energy. Okay, but some bacteria are there, those who undergo chemosynthesis, okay, by using chemical energy for synthesis of their food. And in heterotrophic nutrition, the nutrition where the organism depends upon any other organisms for their food, that process is known as your, that type of nutrition is known as your heterotrophic nutrition. And the organisms, those who undergo the heterotrophic nutrition, they are known as your heterotrophs. For examples, we can see here the what pictures is given. See, this is a picture of lice. Where the lice lives in the head. Yes or no? They depends upon the human body or the head. They suck blood from the head, human head. Yes or no? It means what? They depends upon the another organism for their food. Okay, that's why they are known as heterotrophs. Human being itself is also undergo heterotrophic nutrition. How? Human being also depends upon different animals and plants for their food. That's why they are also heterotrophs. Okay, I hope all of you have understood. तो समझ में आ गया सबको ऑटोट्रोपिक न्यूट्रिशन किसे कहते हैं और हेटरोट्रोपिक न्यूट्रिशन किसे कहते हैं? ऑटोट्रोपिक न्यूट्रिशन होता है क्या? जो ऑर्गेनिज्म अपना खुद का खाना खुद बना सकते हैं उसे बोलते हैं ऑटोट्रोपिक न्यूट्रिशन. ठीक है, जैसे कि है पौधे क्या करते हैं? फोटोसिंथेसिस होता है उनका, लाइट का यूज करते हैं, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का यूज करते हैं, वाटर का यूज करते हैं. इस तीनों चीज को यूज करके खुद का वो खाना बनाते हैं, फोटोसिंथेसिस करते हैं. तो ये हो गया ऑटोट्रोपिक न्यूट्रिशन. एंड कुछ बैक्टीरिया है जो भी अपना खुद का खाना खुद बनाते हैं बाय मीन्स ऑफ केमिकल, यूजिंग केमिकल एनर्जी, दैट इज नोन एज योर केमोसिंथेसिस. और हेटरोट्रोपिक न्यूट्रिशन में जो कि ऑर्गेनिज्म से अपने खाने के लिए किसी दूसरे के ऊपर डिपेंड होना, so that is known as your heterotrophic nutrition, and the organisms are known as your heterotrophs. See here, autotrophs. Autotrophs makes their own food, but heterotrophs cannot make their own food. They must obtain energy from outside sources. And here autotrophs, it includes plants, some protists and some bacteria, whereas heterotroph includes some animals, fungi and some bacteria. So what is autotrophic nutrition here? You can see the pictures here. Autotrophic nutrition is a biological process in which Organisms produce their own organic compounds such as carbohydrates using simple inorganic substance like carbon dioxide and water. Or we can say that autotrophic nutrition is a mode of nutrition where organisms produce their own food using inorganic substances. यहाँ पे पिक्चर देखो, पिक्चर से सब कुछ समझ में आ जाएगा. देखो यहाँ पे एक प्लांट है, ठीक है. There is a plant. Plant produces their own food. That food is which type of food it produces? It produces carbohydrates. Okay. तो ये कार्बोहाइड्रेट बनाने के लिए उसे क्या किस चीज की जरूरत होती है? कुछ इनऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंस की जरूरत होती है. वो इनऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंस क्या है? यहाँ पे देखो लिखा हुआ है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड and light and water. Okay, by using these three things, water from the ground, light from the sun and carbon dioxide from the environment. By using these three inorganic substances, the plant produces its own food, that is your carbohydrate. Okay, and with carbohydrate, it also produces oxygen. Okay, so this process is your photosynthesis. So during photosynthesis, it also produces oxygen. So as it produces oxygen, the different living organism uses this oxygen in their respiration. Okay, understood all of you? So this is your autotrophic nutrition. See, again, autotrophic nutrition is two types. We have already studied about. Once again, just remind it. Process of two types of autotrophic nutrition. One is photosynthesis, another is your chemosynthesis. Okay, plants generally undergoes photosynthesis and some bacteria they undergo chemosynthesis. Okay, photo means what? Photo means light. By using light, they synthesize their food. That's why it is known as your photosynthesis. And here by using chemical energy, it synthesizes its food. That's why it is your chemosynthesis. Once again, see here, the plant absorbs water from the ground with the help of root, and then it takes carbon dioxide from the environment and light from the sun. By using these three things, means by using water and carbon dioxide in presence of sunlight and in presence of chlorophyll in the leaf. Chlorophylls are there, yes or no? By in presence of this chlorophyll generally absorbs the sunlight. It helps to heat the reaction. Okay, with the it absorbs the sunlight, and using the sunlight there will be reaction between water and carbon dioxide, and after the reaction what will happen? It will produce oxygen and carbohydrates, and it will store the carbohydrate and it will transfer it to the different parts of the plant. So this process is your photosynthesis. And here in chemosynthesis, some bacteria are there, sulfur oxidizing bacteria, those who intake dissolved carbon dioxide and water from the water. Okay, and some hydrogen sulfide also. Then it produces your, by using all these things, it produces glucose. See here, chemical equation for photosynthesis and chemosynthesis. This is your equation for photosynthesis. In presence of light, you can see here, in presence of light and in presence of chlorophyll, there is reaction between the carbon dioxide and water. 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water to form 1 molecule of sugar and 6 molecule of oxygen. This is your photosynthesis. Okay, chemical equation for photosynthesis. And here see the chemosynthesis. Here carbon dioxide, there will be reaction between the carbon dioxide, water and hydrogen sulfide to form sugar and sulfur compounds. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood. You can see the picture and try to understand properly. So this is all about today's topic. We will meet you in the next topic. Till then, bye bye. Thank you all. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.